Delete an element from a list. To delete an element from a list, go to brackets and create a list. For example, Toyota, and the elements are, for example, Camry, Corolla, Nissan. So right now, to delete an element, you just have to type del and the list name Toyota with the square brackets and the number of the element, such as Nissan, which his number is 2 because Camry is 0, as we know that. After that, print Toyota, save the file and try it on terminal. Great! As you see here, Nissan does not print it and it's deleted already. Okay, let's try to delete another element. For example, Camry, which is number 0. Save the file and try it on terminal again. Cool, Camry is deleted already. Thanks for watching, guys.